okay, okay.
The last thing I want to do is
share you with nobody. Share you with nobody.
share you with nobody.
All right. Allah
Who gonna touch your body?
only me.
Who gonna keep to your heart?
Only me.
Who gonna touch your body?
Only me, only me, only me, baby.
Who gonna touch your body?
Only me.
Who gonna
Allah
Who gonna touch your body?
All right.
This your body you carry.
Hey,
This your body
hold it down for me, hold it down for me. Okay. All right. Yes, sire. Yes, sire. Yes, sire. ya warma ya la pupa na kakuba na ne yesaya denye shamsa hakana di pashale apunye alama na makaman interview shelter yen nozwoma #1 star na nyele ya last week ma over the weekend ma tenda nan interview shelma ye to abiele da nyila repune karabaga alkaulima na won zanti nye via paga zo dabselngo tel labna te pala alkaulima ya ka warlama mamman chena ka te gansuma ka che biere ka to walga banchi ka che nyuya ya nta ala dabselma patongo but amma mi programme ma tan nan de sham tel hay tiya ya zagla pobu pabu jama zanti jabar na gan kudurana na ta tamlana tehnu wallan wuncin mina za hanye vietiti ka tiya la labna tene te bosin yanya tan to pal alkaule sheltan bama masa hashir kamza han yara mi yesu kapi bur pune su ka twabur pune ka su kwang man pune karanan hal tan mamman ban nan da amfana la pinango ma za ha gaba daya ka ta kwang man pune karanan da ma to abu chuam nta pagi yin munta kaman ayan chaka nan zugu bu paga nta pa ni vuso munta kaman yin bangsa manta agbaya barba paga atitara na kaman yin dala fi da sa'a dinnin ma za haya da man yala karkanna ditin nan ka anya din fiela da man bala ma ka puka pa jabara na gan kudurana na tatamlana didde biede te paga da man lan bala ma ka zan jama ma lan lapseto ya de punu ko yin piga wunti zora kata amfana duniya wana alkiyama na ozan ta pa o wunda ba puniya alright bana masababi ya puna talai tum puka pa ba pam yoma ka bebe kantanga kannin katar ka ba din chan program ma tum puka pa pam amba pipirga pa kapi #1 star no ma ya thank you so much. All right, Yulamono Muhammad Hafiz, aka G Face, she topina nyasi yang completion pintu bisang karasu goble bumberle netwarle andam no hungaram wari ya pupa native so na won gafara kaso ya palga karmal anya na kunyo chogole ya okay chakan chelesal nyima na dama sama be satama chakan lete ga ka bang na NTV dananye TV te sa din yar abalma ya abachiram ababram abagabe kayibele se ka haibala ya na kan kuturana na tatamlana nan yadda ya ka ban ya mangle ka satel kamil ka tole talanyale ka dolli yikantan kana program ma mi yilmo na dicana ka teleri nyanya dan bier kamal anfana ta ka talata na ya targa sometimes to know the headline stories sometimes ka to know the interviews kama zumo program ma. Of course, there's one story kan de kubor na binaza hanang because then nka over the weekend ma ka concert shell dan ka show shell dan ma I'm very sure that far and near expectations man and people will be expecting to get a feed of what really happened. Bullet dan park man and we're talking about the Grace concert by Fatherland, the young bull Yesaya Mimea. Okay, tunko nang de sham do mala solid 1 hour interview with another artist but unko so less some few minutes ya maybe shabian but to nkana program shamira kana and then ka boku born when what really happened. Of course Fatherland Grace concert ma Daniela dan nang asabre delma. I mean that was a great concert by all standard. I mean the attendance ma be no show career na pulia no the show was far from the pulia. Yes, and one interesting thing, Daniela, I mean, the numbers in the VIP ma was greater and bigger than the numbers up there ma at the regular ma. So that's just the differential. Numbers ma down and great pam down ma, and I'm sure it got to do with the VIP ticket being at 30 city ma. I mean, a whole lot of people do so many mistakes that happen here as to entry ma. Maybe going forward, I think that there's something to correct the entry ma. So that nima ma den to chaka entry man very smooth katama to no yonyoma, especially the same entry gate with VIP ticket holders, main artists, main event coordinators, main MCs, member shakamas, only one single gate, and you have about 4,000 5,000 tickets, and you expect 4,000 people within the space of an hour. Never saw how to do in the ama mamu ne fitina be ka lori en dwell ni chi ka moto no yen dwell ni chi ka ni sel ne yen dwell ni man including the artists. I'm in the fitina ma. Maybe going forward ma, I think we will be able to correct that ma. Quite apart from that ma, the show in itself ma, performances, everything was okay. I mean everything went well. Tintra videos ma ka later. Just two things in couldn't catching interest ni man, which I just want to hit. One man yala, I mean Fadlan was picked by, I mean, he picked by Maxwell. I mean, Maxwell started the dream, and there is it. The character Kanakat is a part of it, ma. That is great. I mean, the interesting part of it, man, as at now, Maxwell is free. It is a hard. I mean, come on, brag about Maxwell. I mean, and Kayela Dabiri Puni, he's now a free individual in America. He chooses to come or stay in America. People know be America. Maybe Ghana. That's the interesting thing about Fadlan Shungoma, because he wanted to be part of it, and in fact, on your freedom. So that's a great one, man. And again, another interesting thing, Sheldon Daniela. I mean, Wishal was part of the bill. It was supposed to be a surprise, but lo and behold, Kawusha appeared on stage and he performed with Fadlan. I mean, that was crazy. That was super crazy. No one expected that, man, but it really happened, and we expect to see what happens next year. Another interesting thing, Sheldon Daniela. I mean, Gafachi minute 69, man. I mean, Gafachi came on the stage. 69 fans, man. Which was very unfortunate, very unfortunate. And little story, Sheldon Kubiri Punuma. I mean, when Gafachi came on stage, DJ Song connecting with me too, man. He played the song that features Macasio in it. So the mic was with Sami and Kozan mic match and noted Gafachi. Then Kuyana come on. DJ, pull out that song. This is a new Gafachi. Don't play anything that will remind us of who Gafachi was. No. So, Munenye artist manager, I mean, he can say that because he has dropped an album, and the album is full pack with great songs. So if Oya Nakaman or me yil shelde dinye kama ba yil kole, Oyam yil shelde yil pala, he got the right to say that. But unfortunately, that didn't go down well with 69 fans banda bini manama. So from the set ma kabe no new go nelela yeto ama. So when Gafachi came on stage ma, I mean they started doing away halkatela I mean, which was quite unfortunate, which there was something that I know, but I'm sure that Gafachi will learn some lessons, and I'm sure that 69 fans, well, that was not supposed to happen. Unfortunately, it did happen. But we leave it at that. Another incident, Sheldon Danong, people are asking to know what really happened, man. Quite apart from that, man, I'm not sure there's a whole lot. Just another one, man. So many came because of Fancy. I mean, Makaso was able to perform, and he came and it was energetic. It was crazy. Unfortunately, Gadam National's matchup number problem that Fancy didn't come and perform as a solo, because that was what they expected. Just as 69, just as Don Sully, just as Tapashini came and performed on his own, man. Nobody bought the Fancy perform. This I think you're in this somewhere, but I think show man no kuzunglisha pulumbalama. There's a whole lot we talk about it. God willing, now there's something if you and I come back on the show on Headline Stories, man. We'll pick that one, man. But Grace concert, man, was really great. I mean, it was really crazy, and everything went well. All right. Kamande po yala ma yesu mo program ma interview kamala and asabre dalmata agbal al kawlima kanaya to min nim fo so to po hani yo ta ma nyongure ma yala yongure ulaka salama no he ulaka salama pumpo watun ko enchaka abasham yala ya ta damana ya twera ya ngoni Ahmed Mujahid Bello aka Fans Gadam the super ruler one don man bala ya yala ya nan ya pam one Anto Tegi, no other drop EP poster list of Oyen drop album shanga. One and Nabalama. We'll be looking at single song shanga Dembele Puni and the controversies surrounding that particular drop of the EP list. One and Nabalama. Fancy Gadam is Rahimu, the year to Arabian. One. Secondly, in recent times, Fancy Gadam check at the bank now on something Yevia Pagi on the 27th. Parkland Mania Yaka Nano to Parkmania. Yes, the bank Pamba yan the Belgan Lu Belgan Opalo Yanam Tuni. Warnama Mamma and Ayu Parkman won't come to the Puno Bosme or the Labrana, Mulamana Nutano Unam Tumania Shelia, Karanya 27th. We'll be talking about that one. And again, first song from one Don EP Marangela didn't drop it, which is nobody drop here with crazy visuals. We'll be talking about that one, Maya. Na artist Shabayan Beshuma Puni, Banami Wula Kashuma as a Hayan Chang. It is important we talk about it just like Saturday Martin Dagba Maya. There's already yet the program as well. You can take a couple of minutes in food spices. Lisi Tomanto Mix, Intepa Institute of African Art and Technology, Bokpama Puruna Arzikika program, Maka the Kanamaya. There's also so have a 1 minute flash of a break. Katalabna, Fancy Kadam in Ingesia, one don mambala. There's a whole lot to talk about. The Chankantanga.
Só pensei o bicho enconheda. Só pensei o bicho enconheda. Só pensei o dolofinho naisa. Só pensei o aguco enconheda. Só pensei o clube de filia. Só pensei o mandi de filia. O costume sindi de filia.
FDA aji edwedie kratwo yi atomu.
Memeya neya saya tabarakallah takampuka pa mana ya kuno ya da zanti NTV ngoma kama na punyela ma nguyo mo twedne ya ne ya taba ne ton ma nyela nguntera ye to ama mi ya yele ya katidi ya kati yele to miti yem pilshel okay mborne ti ya warm up okay one don Hey, which one? You didn't get yourself warm up. No, not can nobody. Didn't get yourself warm up. Par gam.
Nyama never baba kubang shabu. To live in ya kubang walu. Salma ko garli banyale power. You to come on now when you samly. Abba. Bombo the Puria. Abba. The bombo the Pu. Yimna, you come. Baba. Kabatura, can you come? Labidira, and you come. Woman, Yimna, you come. So the time you come, you come. Then you took about you. So come, Jimna, and you come. Kabatura, can you come? Labla Bidira, and you come. Jimna, and you come. Aye, Dunia was some pungar so Bianini master. I dwell so cozoga, can I have the master? Ghana was a president, Obama la master. I got the young campasi, I am a teacher. Yanguni, Canon the Bundama Karambani, I Kumnambala, Napatapuli, Wayo, Abuquadoro, Tila, Kwamadoro Kadegi Tilae Shayma problem cannot solve it to take a warma Shaya problem you could solve it Laguna Amatima Kapiatam Kanyar Komonyura the two men you like a lay horse I take Babam Kakabanyuba you to Congo Gadampuria so why is the president? Hey, Ogumsebeka Maldo. That's what we're talking about. Yes. Nta the bang no kupa. Uzon pay la la. Ka ongu ko pay la la. Kamba jiwa la kanyelo ka woye yille. Kama Allah wenyele. Okay, Nina Kubo Netizansham started. I mean, let's look at the recent one, Sheldon Kono, which is the Greece concert by Fatherland. I mean, these are people that you have worked with. Yeah.
These are people you wanted to bring along. I mean, you've always supported them. Showman and Oshama, how do you feel as an artist, a colleague artist? I mean, growing up, Kutu put up in the stadium, doing what you have always done.
Yeah, it feels good because I usually the dream was to, you know, bring them up so that they'll be able to match up. So that one day when we are tired, they can take over.
Very well.
Not necessarily Fatherland Congo.
Okay.
I mean every up and coming artist Muntraira.
Yeah.
You know the likes of, you know, Sapashini, the likes of, you know, the Donzi, the likes of Wisha, the likes of Israhim,
Yeah.
the likes of Dapila Malay, you know,
Yeah.
artists in the Mazu, you can't also come at the Ula, the substance of Baza to Pierre Park Mapuni,
Yeah.
and then the Carcania numbers.
Yeah.
The chunk at Nyara who come at the Ula, didn't car because so soon you
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Because to go yet of Yamali, Kako yet of Yamali, you know, Fasigada Macasio has been on top for a very long time.
Yeah.
Agbayabo. So Timis also is shooting your fele.
Yeah.
Timi Kadu will have Jan Tokuno Karaki woman Fasikadam Chia.
Yeah.
Be Fasikadam Belanan active
Now the
in
song.
the industry map on Agbayabo.
All later man come and the man that happened born now no shoe even before 27 for Shell and pick woman.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this is just the 27 you were looking at.
No. You know, man nobody no show my review.
Okay.
Agbayabo because a lot of things came out.
Yeah.
Can you look at the wula near enforcing the thing my luck at the wula? Mbon in frustrated shaba.
Okay.
Even for content stand up, my like park my phone. And I qualified level or team. Okay. When you're park my phone. When you're on my last show, that's the Akasama, Parker and my card. So Carazo.
Okay.
So be like, didn't Bonamani Maba Mbabishu Mazo. The two of them call Parker.
Oh, okay.
Because in any champ man come together.
Yes,
So cabadate maso shop.
Okay.
Mirai fixture in Shuma in September.
Okay.
So show shaman on the
November, September and
September Pulka Dino.
Okay.
But because of miracle, oh, no, Shuma can on my Torunway, Iman can on. My days I show my September because of you guys.
Okay.
My nature November. Kenileno October.
Okay.
So because of Farlan she was my dad no she was September, but because of which she was can trash to cham no check space behind.
Okay. So Farlan them roll it down so that you can with your day. And now the day is on. I mean 27 confirm. Sign and seal. Okay.
So I know the like too much to yellow because man near my go let us about you.
No, Bugology. I guess like a goal. I guess Saladella. I know some that you have asked no shoot and this neck of the full week. Sorry, Bagaya, 27th Mambela. Now, when it's something you feel confirm. Now, let's look at the before Katanan can show my pony, and your artist Shabayan Billy Pony. More minute to go into the EP, Shall and drop. I mean, you dropped the cover, and it has about 14 be island 8.
Yes,
8 songs.
8
songs. Okay. EP Mambela. Take us through list of songs more than your songs so that as we are talking now but take us through EP Maya, it is one done EP. What about the EP? I thought you were going to drop an album or something, I mean, or singles. Why dropping an EP?
Yeah, so actually my mind was to drop an album.
Okay.
And I've realized that, you know, throwing an album I throw this album and lama. You know, my exact promotion. This is
okay.
Because of the new album, because throwing an album, you should be looking at 10 or 12 songs,
sure,
or even more than that.
Yeah, sure.
So I buy like a yellow mama. Come to your time. One after the other. My feeling card will always still lay on
okay.
But it can be a man 2 months. I can't will know. And you let him land this year. The good to look down by a fast man enjoy.
Okay.
The Sakada ban I can enjoy. But I've realized that the same thing you learn manner, got a time.
Okay.
Especially to Kanya, you learn map of English songs. The same thing, mammy to grow your man.
Yeah, sure.
Agabo to grow your, you know, gradually. Every year, another music melody and grow you, change.
Yeah, sure.
Agabo,
of course.
Maybe Tembenzo guy yet of your money. I had 2021. Not the music grow here from the Kana audio mark.
Yeah, sure. Yes.
I've got to realize that a lot of people, what's happening here too.
They check it out on audio mark.
Okay. Audio mark. Audio mark.
Okay.
So it is time that lies on audio mark map for the year. Kala champion play.
Okay.
The substance disaster for a lot of following.
Okay.
Yeah. So anya ipishane yina mama. Mfans ma za manage. On ka boom play, on download them.
Okay.
Be Apple Music. Because tenya mka de gura de ma fans ma. Shete nung de bien la hal ka to do la hal pa di. Some god net mba page play ma. Shete do le gradually. On pon ndi talo ka dula. Fans ma za so la bor WhatsApp ba kama so la yana na WhatsApp yela to.
Okay.
Come download it. Aba wo. Because Apple is actually data share downloaded from WhatsApp Apple. Don't know guys downloaded from AudioMac.
Okay.
Agba so the power pump. Never understanding AudioMac pump forma.
Okay.
Pump the point la growity following when it comes to Boomplay.
Okay.
Aya Boomplay ma. Because bang kama ten jang AudioMac in total play ngela like 2.6 million. Over 2.6 million. Kamal play on AudioMac.
Wow.
Agba
okay.
Didn't get a car de gula. Lala stream channel mal on AudioMac ma. Didn't get a Boomplay. So can dem la stream ma. Ngo britma plug.
Oh okay. Là où il kaban chang chang.
Man thank you. Anyela streams ma.
Okay.
Bien ta la plug.
They will acknowledge that yeah.
Come on, as people following.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not getting no sabi. Because to kusha kan you southern artist ma when they go plug na ma.
Yeah.
Recently na you American they go plug.
Yeah, sure.
You know Shatawale na ma, you know.
And the Nigerian boys ma.
Nigerian boys ma, you know.
Yeah.
So come there a plug. And she can live na ma. The man to jam them.
Yeah.
Agba so fans ma as I ku gumda. And to kumal AudioMac.
Okay.
Can download the Boomplay.
Okay. So as we speak now, even before ka one done EP one you already have your songs in Boomplay now. Okay. So how do we check you on there? How do we get there?
Anya I could download the app ma.
Okay.
I could install fast grande zamba.
Okay.
Profile him.
Okay.
You like come there ponka
down. Do you subscribe to your channel?
The bama following kunyali.
Following kunyali. You tap it. Okay. Every song that you need from fans.
I could fast grande man. You let him say him now.
Kape karambo yil shanga.
Man, the like ka down the zabe.
Ndi zora. Okay, at the comfort of your hand. Ako zora.
People like dame.
Okay.
The ba kunyala ka de gula by data ma.
Okay.
Akuma data ka download. So let them come let's say nobody need 1 million downloads.
Okay.
Bien te mala plug.
Wow. Oh, okay.
Me data ka de gula anya fan. I'm born number de plug ma.
No, of course.
So I did ka let's say Shatawale fans and get me Fasagado has never taken any plug from Boomplay.
No, no, of course.
So, and
in current music, I mean, instant everything counts, especially last social numbers, everything counts. Everything counts.
Because didn't a company sign up?
Yeah.
I never to check out the deal.
No, they assess your performance on numbers
everywhere.
Social media, I mean, crowd wise, they check everything.
Social media man catapult to soap because then your physical crowd man long time
you have proved beyond
that about 6 years today.
Okay.
That's another can you mean when it comes to physical numbers. We have the physical numbers.
Yeah, okay.
But sometimes the man like they get disappointed when they are about to pimp you to some people.
Okay.
Then the people want to understand, but people never hype at the show.
Yeah.
You feel sports stadium, you have numbers, but be to check her out.
Okay.
Numbers man online man, they better low.
Okay. It looks like the songs are not heavy like you as an artist because
that
songs man yilama being performer.
On social media.
Binya show, okay, it is good that maybe they see your shows, they see that Amal Erin 20,000, 18,000 can fill the stadium.
Yeah.
Baka kana on social media, never to check a yield shang and drop it. 1 million, 2 million. They feel like no. Okay. All right.
Yeah. So the something the fan base man. To encourage the online stream.
All right, well understood. Tell me one done album, one done EP, man. I mean, you are somebody who is blessed with a touch of an album. I mean, how do you Cooper EP? I mean, if we look at Mujahid, if we look at Dream, if we look at every single song in an album you drop is a hit. And sometimes, Shangana Mimbianeka, can you put them the album up for it? Karadoro Roma, Karku Yermana, Kamano, Naratabuya, no Biano. Yeah, several times. Come here, come here. Oh, literally, no, come on, Coco. So the video drama, man. We don't know. Carta poop, no, not to know that. What am I? So let's look at one Don, I mean, it is 8. One man, one Don man, number one, he go over you. Another one, nobody to drop ya. Another man, no, Zam Solo Kana Chekoko remix featuring Shatawali, Fancy Gadam featuring IB Edem Balama, Bill and Balama. And again, another one, nobody yes, and the Shell and Fifth Ritma, Fancy Gadam featuring It's Flexi, Yindi, Yilama Title Mbala, Sankara. And there's another one made for the people of Nanong, which is Mantambo. Another crazy one, Balama. Man, unfortunate. Nto Yila Nama, fancy. Tia Yala Yamale. Like I was saying, every single song in that album is a hit on its own. When I have a drop in 1-1, because I don't eat people.
Mammy, Napoleon starting Yala Bandula. Tito Zabana. You don't enjoy it. Because the guessy.
Okay. No, come and dream when I'm breaking the Shama. Karzat is on it.
The couple in Alabama on the 27th night.
Okay.
Kata Yilan Mana.
Okay.
But we have money team, Martin, you know, maybe within, you know, the subsidy every week. Kata Malby Shamati before
the show. Okay, yes.
So we are looking at, you know, releasing Yendi. Okay. And then releasing the Mantambo.
Okay.
And then releasing One Don.
Okay.
Before the show.
Okay. So that's gonna be 4 songs.
3.
No, okay, nobody.
Nobody.
No, the piano one.
Nobody one.
Okay.
Mantambo 2.
Okay.
You know, Yendi 3.
And then One Don. 4. Okay. Catch the rest of the 4.
4 man.
Waiting.
9 man. Kat bale on every platform.
Okay. Same night for the show, man.
Same night on the show.
Carry drop. Okay. All right. Near Yala and Kamana, I am you looking in the album, anticipation of one song. Sheldon, you're not outstanding. Then I am PK. Okay, One Don, another one, he go over you, another one, nobody, okay, then Punkana, another man, okay, Kanachi Shatawale, no Bishel, Koko, Kanachi Bilenma, Kanachi Yindi, Kanachi Mantambo.
Okay, so let me say, young card, Fasagaran Beshama, in your mark, shall come like the category of people shall not board, not hit it too. Okay. Because looking at the nobody, my target was the southern sector.
Okay, there.
Man.
Yeah.
And and the video, a lot has
gone into
that video.
Of course.
And then unfortunately, Sasha did something. Then they promoted him. Katinye Kuli.
Yeah.
Yeah. Manja.
Babanda.
Oma. So, I
mean, Kuya Imbelema because Aswad Babara.
Aswad Babara Kani.
And then Kanero
Bambara. So, Chikatisa confusing. Because Uncle Toy and Promeca, the will have substantial channels. Cover money, bank and
yeah, of course.
Which put me meaning in that time, no car.
Yeah.
So, we have to wait.
Okay.
Karkuchala Halle. Aba Muto Chakarata media talk on nobody.
Okay.
But still,
it's pushing itself.
It's pushing itself.
Yeah, of course.
Thanks to the Gadam Nation for always, you know, I could pay fast Gadam WhatsApp status on Passaron Kunyele. No.
So come out of video Barna.
Yeah, you know what you do for the poster Makuya. Agabo. So that never touch function.
Okay.
The Chanvanga. But near Yeleka, they will have one particular song. Then the tone of magic on the album.
Yeah.
It will be the One Don.
One Don,
yeah.
I believe in Pala.
Yeah, then the tone of magic.
The concept, man, never have a One Don.
But Mama Shayla.
Lao, Gany, the Biala
solo.
Malaysia la solo Kayara. Okay, not a power solo, so Tampa solo. Bakali mean One Don, not in the last. Okay, I yell about them, nobody video, no one at the Shamyala. We'll talk about the video, and it's important. It's important here to do maybe upon Lele, but we take the video for the benefit of Muna time. A Bible, Bemunda Kulben Yale, the Shabian maybe YouTube member Yarmo when you time about Fancy Garam this young or TV.
Don't break it down.
So check out the video Can drop a show ma jungle. I mean 27th show ma the jungle banner ready. We will drop the jungle and then we will drop the visuals of nobody. Kakana until yala yeto asan gender player. Then chan kakoma on NTV. Ten daily. Ten love now.
Kukura punya nina una ming marketing yang pupana Jano Star.
Yami ori Jano Star.
Kawalu pupana kagbaga alkawle no sang tagba yile tazu sa.
Sedam gada yu de lefa. Yu de lefa. Sang tagba yile tazu sa.
Debe chang taba inata ko sang na wi ko sang tu.
Yalle kam dum kama na wi.
Katin dambla datu nudirku katatu nusa.
Atishe yarli gadal dalji.
2016 Kabipigo Discovery of the Year. 2017 People Celebrity Awards Favorite Music Video of the Year. 17 Man Favorite Song Category Total Cheats. Coach Sender for the Ghana Music Awards. New Artist of the Year 2017. Popular Song of the Year Total Cheats. Hip Life Artist of the Year Total Cheats. Kobapal Alikaule Shell Onda Yanozang Dagbangila Chansu Sala. Kachang Jeme Katangani. International Reggae World Music Awards. Best Afrobeat Entertainer 2019. Most Promising Entertainer 2020. Ghana Entertainment Awards America Dundonne. Best Male Act 2019. Get a Ghana Niger Showbiz Awards. Tomabra Kalepa Kama to Pompongo Parkland Kanan. Gadam the awards Shanga Denya Shabila Kale. Merikandela Dotuma. Kaban usually went to the ma wo pili me pirgapa. Nivo soto yer oye twango ngune nyangune.
One don yuli. One don mawonda pali ulka.
Yila Nyable, Northern Music Twitter, the ruler, Wagba Dabsile, on the 27th of November 2021, Alhaji Aliu Muhammad Sports Stadium, Warima Kenna, the Dalmaka France, Gadamia Chara Dunia Zasabang, Nila Nila Dempia Dagbang, Koyang Twitter, Nudigo Kagole Nuza, Duzo Olela one dog concert to Nyable, the Dan Telga, Tomakul Katata, Shapana Park and Tabambi Yule, Duzo Bashapati and Tabson Ship Park Madale, surprise artist, Rate Manuel 30 Ghana City's popular stand, Kavi at Mania 50 Ghana. Nirika Mumbo no go to before 27th. Antonio said 5-minute collection. Beka change pulo parenjane. Benyindi kana Carlos Entertainment tishigu. But them new one don't concert on Yabanima. Dynamic Energy Drink. Mr. Laka Company Limited. Police collection. And Tepa topmost wardrobe near my Jackie. Nirika Mumbi bought the Changam the Wanga. Mumbo and Tangamingo. 0243 821129. Fancy get them one door concerts. At them Jenny. What them Jenny. And them
Mie ya warlaba ya la labna kakoba na ne yasaya nan banche ne karpuni agbari wumpala tabaya yes tiyan portare hima kana tiyan portare hima kana amine show no manada yila num dropra den ma de awas ne ma tlakati yele sham de za habe cheknel ma puria la chips va aller ya la chips va aller nya le kabale ya de mala kaba 27th ma the wame kawa ne pa feel so no ma the wa 27th the way the wa but that is am solo ka go la dabsel ma ya I mean nobody video ba alele and it is simple fancy I mean to tell you the truth sometimes I feel you are overspending in your videos.
Wow.
I feel it sometimes I feel like it is not necessary. Okay, naku jakatenye banyenya video ngoma ya. Yapolo karangma. I mean location.
Charlie, big up to Joker man. Thanks so much for that support.
Okay.
Because I will invest my share in channel pony. Right, nila message ni ya. Agbago, you know.
Okay.
I have to, rent buses.
Okay.
2 buses.
I mean it got to that.
Oh yeah, I have to rent 2 buses. Correct. Boba, Nirbuchang, Boga.
I mean, you move crew from here to Boga.
From
camera crew,
dancers.
Okay.
The team, makeup artists, cinema. Everybody who was, who was behind shooting the nobody video in Boga.
Wow.
You have to pay everybody.
And I was told you fly a model from Accra.
Oh yeah, the girls won't be live video on Accra girl, sometimes to get a classic girl who can do what you want in a music video, who can get in Tamale. But feel like
but sometimes what is demand from
Okusana they boyfriend here no most like
they go
Zorvi and to kunye nice girl but that's one back video can't no boyfriend or because one carefully
the end
thank you no popular. Oh no, popular. Thank you.
Be come I mean only be video back ma be shima.
You know. So I never got you know, don't get a guest in the other shoot the video.
Of course.
So she had to chant Ankara and direct the girl Makana. You know, girl could spend a hotel, you know, payment, no costume. That did come at 4,000 Ghana cedis.
What?
So now you imagine my girl could go.
I mean, no flight, no hotel, no canoe, and no costume, no shaka. Wow.
You are sure to you have back about one video, you know.
Come on, Banama.
Shaba.
Banama.
Agua. Didn't you can Didn't you can joke about
So nobody was made in Tamale and Boga.
Tamale and Boga.
Okay.
Yeah.
And most of dance I didn't know the Boga. I mean, dance crew, you had how many dance crew?
I have like 3 dance crew in the music video.
Wow.
Which is incredible dancers. You know, Gucci Empire.
Okay, Gucci.
Empire Northern Best dancers.
Wow. Video, but it seems this particular song, you concentrated much on dancing. But where is it about what the secret of Pomna Shama be? Mama, that's
no, I've realized that I know video can have more reaction.
Okay. Okay.
And again, in France, my pump to Yamaka de Wula. Then there's some one because you enjoy it. No one,
no, my pump over. I one that I walk and hear somebody.
But that's you are going
to
so Makuto somebody.
No.
So watch me out. One done. I get one done, man.
Hey, one done EP album here. Okay, nobody babiani, and then we'll be talking about the Topacham concert mapune, the love show mapune before Kanantam. I mean, Jungle mapune, my own side shall carry and come and guest artists by him be a show mapune. They are not out list. What are you trying to change now? About now you come and agenda artists so song a show mas.
Wow, I like that question. Like always, tell none of me yare.
Okay.
Can you understand now? Because mostly, no going no show, artist cinema, no going no show, artist cinema come by power. It is time can you understand how the ruler. Show my fast God, I'm showing you.
Okay.
Anybody who is coming there, he's coming there to support fast God.
Straight.
I got them well understood. So the polar artist be show as well.
Oh, okay, okay.
Artist in the show as well.
Oh, okay. Mamila Conco do not perform Ali.
But the one that the will fast God, I'm your card the will. I'm a ball artist in the
yeah.
Mine down stage my dream. The yellow pump, Jacob. But because of the very artist in the pen the show up for me.
Got anti promising fans. Okay.
Domina present the land. As one of my auto party.
You're trying.
Gontua.
I have a day line, Shelley.
You like for it.
But blogger more now.
Blogger, thank you. That's a W. So this time around, we are trying to, you know, change one or two things.
Okay.
Because can't play like, you know, music industry for no. Sako de malo or rapaholic concert.
Okay.
Honestly, no one artists on below.
But people will perform.
People will perform.
Okay.
Honestly, no one can you carry your go and down Hakatakulis. You don't perform, but they get surprises.
Okay. So you mean that come on
artists on bill Ajiba. So Jiba.
But come on you come oh show woman by beautiful the color. So when I'm coming, you can't have fancy shows. I can't have fancy shows, but I get a lot of surprises you will enjoy. Wow, wow. That take man, that seems to be interesting. I'm not gonna very. Let's say Angela is a passion fan. Okay. That kind of show man. I'm not gonna okay. How do you feel? Okay. Wow, I get a wow man. Okay. The one that the will show man ka excitement there for of course. Kakuka, akusha kaptiyano, tin station mo boyan duna. Kai. Okay. What about the other aspect of it? Ma didn't come and artist shamans and non man can support with promotion man. Yes. Because now he's not on bill. He's not on bill. No, he might be on bill, but you will not know he's on bill. So he can he can decide to be promoting as in promoting the first show. But as to a single cover of performance, no, you can't. Okay. I get it. Oh, Charlie. So for that matter, we are going
out, you know, to go, you know, all out.
Okay.
To show man.
Very well.
And then one of my sons, Chika Bambora, me, Mumbanjari.
Okay. Artist, my
oh,
okay. We are so you do Garga.
Oh, wait, Garga. I think what I be people so Chika.
Who want to get out show to be oh, Katrina go last year. So I remember at so at the time, I mean, he kept people on bill. Macasio, come to promote them. Oh, yeah, I can't. No more. So that you the shop here. Never last to come you sure.
The one is it. I was so showing one, you know, and again, which I'm taking another man. Alba man, one door.
Okay.
Cashew man, one door.
Okay.
One man means I wouldn't one door now.
Okay.
One don won't show me.
You should prove that one don.
Example.
Okay.
And the first will prove it.
Okay.
Come on, yeah. Meaning, yeah, the money you want to. So it is time
to wale that Cabana some Banagba.
Then I'm. You come on, you will
no, one don, my
man will come by one don.
Cado one.
Man, I mean, Cado, man, don't you want you so. Agba. If I say, I don't like Punakan, I usually. Man, I want don, and if I can don.
Okay. Abba.
Call Willie Lama. Look, only see you at your call.
Okay.
No, Charlie, you do a nice one, you don't put you for inside. Ah, you. Oh, Chama, you don't tell me, say, you go job.
Okay, okay.
That with man, no, compare for the cocoa. Capostoli in status.
Okay.
Cashetawale, Wumlela, cocoa, oh, you let us, oh, you live in status, can you give me the salary? No, Charlie, this one be banger. I like the song, I will give you space. This is so then it take part the remix like a be one ton. Okay. I one ton madam mama. Did you know you get? Did you know you? My killer tibu. 2019, 2020, beginning of 2020, 2019 come to the
okay, okay.
Because I
declare that can you take a
man because man don't you like
useful. Of course. Okay. To tinye baya. I mean show my to akana tunaku yara. Quickly the limit tickets yet. I mean tickets. Because don't know them the something that Tinya Erin can remind the Shilishan Jan ticket yet. VIP in yellow. Yes, so show my I'm your card. Think really, I just show up on Gamma. A lot of experience. Okay. Because something that melted in my Zanzali. Okay. I love Mama to was a Bible. So you show my ticket VIP manual 50 Ghana. 50 Ghana city. A Bible. Okay. I know you then you 50 Ghana. Then I limit Shabba. Okay. Can numbers ma. Cardibu guys. Okay, very well. Can regular man 30 Ghana city. 30 Ghana city regular. A Bible. Okay. And to me, make clear sure come at the Wula. Near be Zang 30 series Tangban. Okay. You can assure. I am assuring the people. Okay. Didn't you carry your card? Remember for artists and Pamela of Pudding? Cartizan card the Wula. Fast guarantee in a shade 3 o'clock before 4 o'clock. The Kulatiman now. The Kulatiman. No, the Simpson. Okay, though that's not to the show, but I really want you to promise us on this because people have complained. I mean, people have suffered it so much. No, why? I saw interview. To know outdoor. Yeah. Of the program of the day. But maybe show back. Of course. I'll still come back with my manager. He will explain more for the people to understand. Okay. Because Banen Sulela kana, arrangement man. But trust me, that is why. Okay. Everything is going to be centered around on Fancy Gadam. Okay. Some upcoming artists. Yeah. But we're not fly it about. Okay, like you've always done. I mean, you started the idea of Bayina, Bimpila, Bayina, we put them on still someone on bill. Okay. But when a name goes show up for Canada. Okay. So the world got the will even. The A-list artist can be not the Jimmy. Fast government done what now. Okay. I'm going to feel so the Kulun Karela, excuse me to say, come an underground artist and co-performer. I tell you, come on, this is the time of the show map. Fast government, oh, so Arab can Okay, can you see maybe Israhim? Arbakana Israhim so.
Okay.
So Israhim no tebetiam arbakana so.
Akuto boy.
Obi pumbo promise I know in jamme.
Thank you.
Simple as that.
That's one.
Okay.
But mami Israel muna.
Example kan to umbo ni embolso.
Bambo say yo muna no. Di ko kanu karfuni.
Inje ni embolso you kartije ya. Nene bolo
you ba go te karfuni. I understand.
Kamara wol la.
Ose. Oi.
Wallo wis.
Oi. Nje. Bramura oi.
Mr. No might be around wicked.
Wait.
No mercy.
No mercy. Many people say we are above for it.
No problem.
I'm above for it.
Why? No, I won't come.
Why you wait?
All right, no.
Sure,
I mean, we will talk more about
so
that.
the Ura the car, the Ula. The Kakama, the Ula, for instance, come out to Gini. You hardly capacate you and that. Now I can show what.
Okay.
It's a promise.
Okay. All right. Check and take out about the Denchen Kakoma on TV. Menacing food spices. Lisi Tomato Mix and Tepa Institute of African Art and Technology. Barantirasi Kika program Kanamaya. On a very quick one. To mean one Mama Pohan Yurutaba Ahmed Mujahid Billu Fancy Kadam the one don super ruler Mambala. There are so many things we're talking about. I mean, I'll call the man by a date mass sign here. It is sealed and done. Pasted on the wall, mark it on your calendar. Now, when there's something, if you're parked on the 27th next month, November, Malama, Saturday, Yale, Parker and Mania, Winter Park, and I know to Unam Tuma, Mampuyala, Belgal and Luko Puno, or Yanam Tunu Kupaya, now when there's something, if you're parked the Dapsema, Lella Shipsama, Lion Nangme, Antotin, Warama, Daya, Agast, Kasara, Mira, Hair, Trayella, Yerisania, the Dia Pam, so let that woman, Hashav Dashim and the full Saturday, the Simpson Schumann, the Uyama, date map. We're talking about that one, of course. But la ship share the artist performer Ajiba. So just prepare and come for a show. It is the one done concert. At in your shelter to Haka Nyamaya, Kanota Barakala Kapika, Tia about nobody yet to add the visuals ma, we drop a net Kawum Jungle Mam in Everton. Tickets ma, Nerena 50 Ghana City, regular market, and 30 Ghana City, the boom bag tickets man in Bishop.
Yeah, ticket man, I bought ticket man. Number shall be
okay, Katia put it up. Okay, let's put it up on the screen.
I could call her Hamid.
Okay,
Anthony La ticket man. Mommy, fast Garaka so can not show them.
Okay,
so come put me on your fast guarantee ticket. I jump parent. Anthony Fast guarantee ticket.
Okay.
I can talk most. Anthony Fast guarantee ticket. That is a Jamal Bamba store Mamba.
Okay, yeah.
Baker can 5 minutes collection. Anthony 5 Fast guarantee ticket.
Okay.
Baker can put the boutique.
Very well. And I'm very sure that the man Shabia about t-shirts here to her. Sure. I mean the one don t-shirt man. It will come with another branded style. All right. We're still talking about that. The Lamana had another issue that the Kunyan Muso was on the Pam. You and Israhim. I mean, we all got into it, ma. And it was crazy the way it went, ma. One, your current relationship with Israhim, is it sour, is it bad, or is it just a sweet at Nirminu or father as in music, but relationship no could share?
Yeah, so Pastor Gadaman Israhim, you know, Mata is mad at Rise Pam.
Kabiala.
Kachan, because you can pour le shop.
Naka
Yarma.
Okay.
And again, Mammy, Yelly Naka, Yelma Mamma, Yelshell. Be cow boy, Yelma Mamma. Your point of view, kind of.
Okay.
Ababu.
Okay.
Because I usually make Israel, young year rotation, Mamuka problem.
Okay.
Even before, Muruka problem.
Okay.
Actually, fact in Yamaka, the winner. Bloggers on the Dama.
Okay.
Which is Hassan W.
Hassan,
thank you.
The blogger.
Number post to Israel album.
Okay.
That was the truth. Oh, Yaman Korayama.
When the album was dropped,
yes,
you within the days of the drop, and that was posted. Okay, like you always do.
Human rights.
Okay.
Neka de wula no yele. No go to mamba.
Okay.
Neka Israel ye yilana. Ka fasigara ba posted. Human rights.
No yele.
No yele wula ka fasigara ba posted.
Okay.
Abawo.
Okay.
But obem mi shenge ba de obem mi in situation that you didn't change ka fasigara be posted.
Okay.
One, it could be the skipper mine.
Okay.
One, it could be I was not online.
Okay.
Throughout
technical problem.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
I'm a mean situation.
Okay.
But I blame Ronnie come and they will under
On yellow.
oh yeah, they open the blame.
The minute to yellow maybe another way to push you to speak.
That is it.
Okay.
Actually, speaking young card, the national drop album, then the mark can check for Fredua.
Okay.
So we were busy on the road going to
go for it. Okay.
So the channel go for Fredua, and the party go for Fredua. So we take out the wheel because our concentration and mind is out of
show. We all know what it is if you are going somewhere to do a show.
That is it.
Yeah.
The part of my part of my Kasami.
Okay.
Now stop. So we're just concentrating on how
you are going to put up the show. Yeah.
Show my name, John. Got you seen the Lower was
from Kofuridium. Okay, you are doing
to do it.
Okay.
Kilo
my problem.
The couple of the partner money.
Okay.
Show my name got Pampura.
A lower end of the sparker.
The sparker.
Okay.
So look what the next day. So how many days can I spend in Kofuridium? 2 days. Katana is a basho.
Okay.
The Pamana took the bottom now. Can take my way or something yell Israel with my talk.
Okay.
So Katza put the next day morning. That's why blog.
Oh, okay.
So it was penalty, clear penalty on my side.
Okay.
Because me be sharing tally, posted. So me my right no yellow.
Yeah.
By yellow, we are all in the game.
Yeah.
Be criticized Alama. Can she get the man of yellow? Thank you.
Okay.
And the actual fact is that no Papa and the national as Pasama. Mpamana you, and you be asked us. Israel can I listen?
Okay.
Uncle Penama, oh Israel, I as a W.
In your yell.
Or someone else will
Okay.
How can Joshua tell the poor?
Kayel Israel.
Israel, like when only Yeshama. Israel, Maya. No, Yeshama, then pen posted the Manda on your mouse when you come post.
Oh, okay. That means, I mean,
there was understanding.
Yeah, you were on the same page.
On the same page.
Okay.
So, then, along the line, Katinyaka de Wula. To me, I'm going to first Gadam EP my list man.
Okay.
Aleria, Pompon, it's us and that in it.
They will post it. Okay.
They will post the kind EP man. There will be another topic.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Kateka don't want something to post it, but can I hit it man?
Okay. Okay, by then, you as an artist on your own, you already have an itinerary plan of how you two are going to go about your project
throughout the year.
So Israel yila baby you have a plan
man list year.
Okay.
And can Israel go million.
Okay. So moment that one Israel yila ma yina karbo posti.
No posting.
All along my they shedding post and there was a block about it. So you thought it wise that IPAP
no,
so okay, so there was an agreement that Nacheli had post.
So it is another
okay.
So car me post my time but papa. Kapa you there
okay.
Tell post this time yellow topic. Can tell you in listener.
Okay.
So let's post
this is the him Alabama.
Thank you. So let's post it.
Okay.
Before can I post the EP cover?
Okay, I get it.
So can I post the Israel EP man?
Okay.
The next day can I post the be some hours. Can I post the EP man? Canada wants like you man.
To the Nikambi.
But my God,
Netama, oi, Amaro, Tandene. Take a little bit of kind of time, Garia.
So yeah. The next day, come on, praise you too. So called so last time you trending, maybe you trending. I do say you could have
come here.
Now, some person you could have I would have Karakara. Now, yeah, name Mali, the society. No, that way you are. No, I get a new point of view. But they have channel well with my fan base.
Okay, no, well,
hey, I'm not better now. But I feel like I will no. The man, no, I told him. So can you call her mama? Ah, what can you? So bon call mama oh don't different na woman. Can no video here ah. Come on can no Obama. And again I was supporting you because muna bam ka de wula. Ami implant. Of
course.
And that man asa work ka de wula. Inye no shame but throughout before show.
Yeah, of course.
So the buy list marker complain man that understand. I'm not going to say. I'm because I mean, Mama de Babane. Can't something different. If you can,
I miss Shapolonia. Me itineraries, Halka woman, Yilan and Marvin Shakam. But me, I drop an EP list my than Shelly. So I'm my labor. So you know, no, te trust me. What can't get on Malaka de Ula? No, Zansolo. My Yalame. I was also Shakamuzaha. But as to we can obey day more, no drop an EP list that I was not aware. And I won't pretend that in that Miriala. No, my Miriala. If maybe none of that be shower pune, Charlie nigga, we go drop the EP list today. Had never done Miriala, I would have stopped it. I would have tried talking to you like I've always done. I would have tried. But that I wasn't aware.
No, Mamia.
No, I mean, the days I would have meet me, but you guys didn't talk about it. Then my video like Carlos' office. Yeah. He moved me. Then later, I will tell them now. You don't want to tell them now. I will understand the face. He love now. So, the no, but okay, Charlie. No, people can do. I disappointed I betray because I'm plan. Come to pan on it. Can you let me complain? No, so I born I come. I mean, no, Pansolo. If people are thinking that album list mama drop mama, then Nam Israel album. That was wrong. Very wrong. That Sokotoshi Yanaka de Wula. No. In the Pansolo, album list can you. So what can I do? And I album list man. You album list. Album list ma da yerte me Monday first track on the album I will be dropping. Not like date. Yes. The Monday. Friday be Saturday na here. The Monday can first song drop ra. No. Oh. I check them. No, you check them. You check book calendar. When I hear album list na. Album list you look at the Wula. I need some watch out. No. But film. Let them watch him out. Got to watch it out. Thank you. So the next 3 days of all this, can you give me here? Dama. Okay. The time no. If my list man. Okay. The next 2-3 days, can possibly give me here one point. Okay. So Lala be Amazara. That come 1 will be Zansolo. Can I? Alaminis. Umay, it was I tell them now. Okay, tell them now. No, so I got it. But you tried to never be a solo. So I was sabotage Israel. Never. I will talk with you. Mangu start sabotage. Okay. Listen to me. Mr. Wilson is my bank the Katanga. But you're not my mother. Oh, come on. Okay. Alabama, your contribution is Israel Alabama. I mean, trace of Spunuka voice could be ma. Yes. And financially and otherwise, you still support. Yeah, I Israel, yeah. Sometimes, yeah. Masonku Babu. Number 1. Mommy, artist in you. I mean, I know you look at. Come on. How am I going to come some? I'm not my phone is a right value. But Masonku Babu. Okay. No, tell her your last one, Babu. Yes. Okay. Interview Mama. Shit, I love no. Tell love. Don't bow. Shit, the sum of young. All right. The number 1. Now, is named Tura. But I don't wait up on Number 1. Oh, to close here. Yes, Pega Tisa Kapuka Pawu comes a Hagbadich program. You to Ama the Galcia and to Yelpam, but of course, to tease them up, we'll still be talking about this until Kashumana. Yes, Miala San. Okay, Miala San de Magba, the Lanya Nation for Alasan Barano video to Zoripia Pam. Oh, now, go to work at yes, production team as always, Abigail MF, thank you so much. I'm Mariana Mumbe MCR man, and I keep reminding you that now on something if you have on the 27th date madam pa confirm my seal sign and it is done till now. Saturday in Yaka program kada kana on one don show man bala one don EP man kada drop prayer. There's so much we'll be talking about it man, but as usual tickets will be available in the next few days man. Tickets man we will let you know yeah. And definitely we'll do another interview. We will attend to most of the issues Shamatan pick kata magarmaya. And of course I know show my to Anako Yinama there's a whole lot that will be coming under it as we move on my yes, thank you so much Abigail, thank you so much Ahmed Shahid, thank you so much General Manager, we're most grateful. CEO, thank you so much. Africa Joe Boatin is the CEO of AKB Multimedia, we're most grateful. Thank you so much. Marhaba, marhaba, marhaba. Yenna dambi yesalmaka bambohagar kobaga nudrugu tanzo kanuza prabangata niri kunye shelkam yasalma yum kasate no kulunko la ko gokuman panga Muhammad Hafiz the trender one don the ruler. We out. Bye bye. Salam.